Hey guys, and welcome along to the 2024 Chilly Willy charity ride. Got my Gopro rolling. I'm going to leave it rolling until it runs out of battery, so you might get hopefully most of the ride in. This is a charity run that runs every year from Northampton, usually from the Building Garden Centre, but this year it's changed and we're going from the Riverside Cafe on Bedford Road, Norton. Yeah, so as you can see, there's a few bikes to get rolling, so join me in a minute. And we're off. So there's about 5 or 6 of us from the group doing this ride. You always end up getting separated anyway, so it goes through the Northamptonshire and Bedfordshire countryside, through some villages. And it's all in aid of the air ambulance. So it's all for a good cause. Seems to be a fair few bikes today, so I wasn't sure if the weather lately want to put people off. It's been horrendous. Rain wise. But no, it seems to be a really good attendance. As you can see, this is a well-known ride, and you'll see people in the villages waving at us as we go past. Okay, so while we're in the first part of the ride, I'm going to switch off and we'll start again once we get to the villages. Here we are, going through the first village of Brayfield on the Green. We got a good view. Currently 5 degrees, so it's not too bad. I've got my heated kit on and I'm comfortable. Yeah, the rains lately have been horrendous, so this is early January 24. Yeah, and the floods have been pretty horrible. So safe to say, if this ride would have happened last week, it might not actually have happened. And now coming into the village of, I think it's Yardley Hastings. Soon find out. I know these roads like the back of my hand, but asked me the name of a village, and yeah, it is Chilly Hastings. It's always good to take part in these charity rides. It's good to see the motorcycling community come together. The only disappointment is sometimes you do always get one or two people who like to show off a little bit and go a bit too far, but they are in the minority, thankfully. Caution, low air temperature. It's 4.5 degrees. Bracing. So while we're at it, we might as well do a little vlog. Not had much time lately to edit videos, so on the running behind. I've finally got around to doing the editing for the June trip to Switzerland, so obviously that's been going out lately. Look at CF Motor, loads of them about. I've got Ducati Street Fighter V2 video I need to sort out soon. That's been filmed, it just needs editing. I need to do a update on some of my riding kit, which I've been meaning to do for a while, like the Andromeda Stardust suit, and also I might do a video on all my Kai's heated gear, the pros and cons. Obviously there's one big pro which we all know, and that is the heat, but there's also a fair few negatives about wearing this kit, which I'll go through in the video. So recording this early 2024, plans for this year are let's stay. We have a tour coming up in June where we're going to the Andromeda headquarters in Spain and ride up through France. Again, I'm hoping to get a few more test ride reviews in. I'm hoping to try out the new Tiger 900 when it comes in at Pure Trance, and also the new Trance 400s. Hopefully something coming soon. I also wouldn't mind, I'd like to give the new BMW GS a go. I think it looks horrific personally, but I'd like to just give it a try, just to see if my opinion has changed from the previous model. But I just can't get past that front end. I like it from the back, but the front is horrific, in my opinion. Other than that, it's going to be more of the same stuff this year. A few more her bikers videos, hopefully. just a matter of getting a few more willing participants for those videos. Alright, we're going to be heading into Lavender in a minute. Nice little place, where I nearly actually moved to a few years ago. A few spots of rain in the air. Let's hope it's just a few spots. You can see the extent of the flooding just lately. Look at that. That water shouldn't be there. The river Ouse. That's scary. Coming into Turvey. I'll tell you what, this heated kit is doing its job so well. I'm sweating. Oh. These charity rides are probably the one time that people don't hate us as bikers. a joke, obviously. I know everybody doesn't hate us. It's good to show that as bikers we can do good and raise money for charity. Now, what a beautiful ride. I was tempted to bring the Ducati on this ride, but I just got a bit more wind protection on the Tiger. So yeah, I thought let's be sensible. So the ride is properly in full swing now. We're coming up to the top end of the 421, I think it is, or 22, near Newport Pagnell. And we're going to be heading into Olney.